Welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. This time around, I'm here with a video which will actually earn you a free $25 uh, on sign up bonus, which you can actually invest to earn more. So let's go straight to business. This is the platform which I'll be dropping for you in the video description section. All you need to do is to just click on sign up. Make sure you sign up. After signing up, if you do it before this stipulated day, which is October 10th, 2022, you should get a $25 reward which you can now invest. So after signing up, the next thing you need is login, since you're already a user by signing up. So now I'll go through this and show you how to go about running this stuff. So now I need to input the email I used. I'm finding it. This is it. This is it. Just trying to make sure I remember my password. Will say you're not a robot. Confirm. Authorization. Remember me. No for now. Authorization. To authorize and sign me in. So once I'm signed in, this is what it will look like. As you can see, this is the bonus balance I got, $25. So now, since you've gotten your $25, then you go and invest it. Just go to start investing. After going to start investing, they say open from investment wallet balance. No, you don't have that. Open from bonus balance. Since we have bonus balance of $25, we can just use pay now. The $25 they gave you automatically show here. And you just click on pay now. Once you click on pay now, this is how it works. The plan, you get 3.2 for 55 days. 3.2 for 55 days. Profit is 3.2% daily. 3.2% daily for 55 days. So now, yeah, we just take 25. So to make everything clear, I want to show you guys the arithmetics on how the reward will be calculated from what they wrote. So let's just use a calculator so that I can carry you guys along. Which is they said 3.2 daily for 55 days. 3.2 divided by 100 is equals to 0.2, then multiply by $25. That's like 0.8 every day. That's close to, so now you can just multiply by 30, just if you want to calculate for 30 days. So that's like $24 after every 30 days. After every month you'll be earning 24. Though I can't say I've proven this right or wrong. I've seen guys doing it, but I don't know if they've actually withdrawn. But it is worth giving a try. So since you're not, especially since you're not investing anything on it, you just give it a trial and see how it work out. So that's how to go about the investment. To start investing is also just how to get started, which we started from beginning here. So now, so you will now go to, this is actually all we need to do for this platform. So but for those who might be thinking, okay, even if I should get the money, how do I withdraw it? You go to withdraw fund, and if you want to deposit, that's also deposit there. So you go to withdraw funds. For example, you're withdrawing Tron, you put the amount here, then you send to a withdrawal address. So there is actually a threshold um on the amount you can send out. There is actually a $10 minimum withdrawal. So this is it. Then the minimum withdrawal amount is 10 USD. Commission is 3.5 for the address withdrawal funds. Yeah. So that's actually how it works. So I will come back later and see how it goes with this platform. But don't forget that the registration will soon close for free $25 bonus. So just make sure you take advantage of this while it still can. So take care of yourself, guys. Make sure you watch out for my next video, because my next video should be on this Sui wallet exchange, a new blockchain that was just set up, and is really making waves. So just stay tuned, guys. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, turn on notifications so that you can participate as well. So thank you very much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.